Answer Garden is the tool I'm going to tell you about. To find Answer Garden, you can access it on the internet. Simply search answergarden.ch. That'll bring you to this page. This tool is useful for basic feedback. It's not super technical, not a whole lot of bells and whistles. It's pretty simple. You simply ask a question, embed the question on a website, and use it to poll your class. The tool is free and it doesn't require an account. To create an Answer Garden, click on the plus sign at the top of the screen. That brings you to this page. Click in this text box where it says enter your question or topic and type your question. Scroll through these options. You can choose brainstorm. This option allows respondents to submit an unlimited number of answers, including unlimited copies of the same answer. So if you're doing a survey where you're looking for the highest number of the particular answer, you might not want to use brainstorm. You might want to select classroom instead. In this case, a respondent can submit an unlimited number of answers, but they can only submit each answer once. So we'll leave it at classroom. You can change the length. You can either limit them to 20 characters or give them 40 characters for their answer. You could enter a password so that you could edit your question in the future. You would type your email address here. That would allow you to access this information later. You can either leave the spam filter on or off. Turning it on would detect and remove common unwanted answers. So that might be good for the classroom. Either way, if you do use this in the classroom, you might want to go over proper netiquette for respondents so that they don't give you inappropriate answers. Then you determine how long you want to broadcast your question, an hour, a day, a week, and once you decide that, you create. This is what it would look like, and if you wanted to share that information, you would click share, and these options would come up. I personally want to embed it in my website, so I'm going to copy this and then paste it onto my website. And I already did that. And my students would come to my website and they would click on this link and that would bring them to my question. And you can see some people already answered. And new respondents could type in their answer. And these are all the things that characteristics of life. Living things do these things. You can see the number of times that each answer was given. So you could use this to poll your class or to take a vote. And it tallies up how many times each answer was given. So that's a nice tool. For collaborative outcomes, I would use this for brainstorming and authentic learning experiences. It could be used to survey the group, to determine opinions, to take a vote, to determine understanding, and it can also be used to come up with new ideas. In the social presence model, I can see this being used by a teacher to determine student knowledge and experience for a particular topic. This could also be used to build emotional connections among group members and to create a sense of community. Students would be anonymous, so they could state their opinions, and they may realize that others in the class share the same ideas and opinions that they have. I would personally use this as an activating strategy, maybe to replace my current journal. This would get students to connect with prior knowledge on a topic. It could also be used to check for understanding. Maybe I could poll the class for questions that they have about a particular topic. Because we all know there are times when students won't ask a question in class because they don't want to look stupid. Here, they may not feel that pressure, and they may share their questions without worrying about what others think about them. That's a good thing. All in all, I think Answer Garden has very limited use for collaboration. It's a good activating strategy. It's a good way to poll the class. But other than that, its uses are very limited.